Secretary ke Sorkar Jylla ubat DP wa alang IAS ula pentip bak Sorkar Jylla kalai kran bat ke Sorkar India ban ya ke Jaka badai jongki Indian Army ban penya cekmat ya ke benta Jingmynjur ya ki Harijan na them yo maulong. Ula ong bo menteri rangba ke Jylla ukon rat kisang ma lem u commissioner bat secretary badai pet ya ke Tnad urban affairs kila ya kran bat ke Tnad yadari bat menta kidang up ya ke Jingmynjur. Dak bapentip bagi jing ekran bat ki badon benta baro halor ke Pynkynriah ya ki brio na them yo maulong uba DP wa alang ulaong baya ka guru dwara bat ki Jaka mani blai kinnom shakta ha ke Pynkynriah.
See, the latest position on the Harijan colony issue is that we have approached the central government to allot us land in the vicinity of the of Maulong Hut only, which belongs to the army. And we have communicated with the Defense Ministry. We hope that we'll get a positive response on that. The area that we have requested is quite small and it's viable as far as we are concerned. So once we get a response from the Defense Ministry, we'll take it forward. We are following up. In fact, in the month of December, both the Honorable Chief Minister as well as the Commission Secretary of Urban, they had gone to the ministry for this very purpose. Prior to the Christmas holidays, and we are hoping that we'll get a response soon. The ball is in the court of the Defense Ministry. They must be discussing with the officers in the ministry as well as those are located here in Shillong. We had discussed with the stakeholders at that point of time when we met here about 2 months back in the month of November, and they were agreeable to that because by relocating that area where we are discussing right now, the Gurdwara also will not be impacted, will not be affected, and the place of worship will not be touched. So I think it's a win-win situation if it is approved.
How much is the area, sir?
We are talking about initially 2 acres, which may be reduced to 1 acre now. But we can go vertically.
Sir, by when is the state targeting, since you are...
No, there's no question of us targeting in this matter because the ball, as I said, is in the court of the Defense Ministry. So we're expecting them to give a response as quickly as they can, and we are just waiting for them to communicate to us.
Anyone following up from your office?
We are discussing on... not a daily basis, but time and again, whenever we go to Delhi and all that, our people are there, they've been following up. Yes.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing ma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi bana kita ka don ka we ka jing mantoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F manta ka sni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.